Hey guys, thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Make sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell. But I'm just going to take you through my wash and go, something super quick. You see how quick this video is. Yeah, it's pretty much that quick. So I just rinsed my hair very vigorously in the shower, getting all the product that was in the hair, and I made sure that it was still nice and wet. You don't always have to wash or co-wash your hair, and I didn't. And then I'm using that Cantu Moisturizing Cream. I got it from Target. And this is my favorite Paul Mitchell Foaming Pomade. And yes, a very little goes a long way. As you can see, it's made the hair so white, but it disappears very fast. But it really moisturizes the hair, and it has oil in it too. And then this is the Cantu Gel. And I'm just putting this, every single product, all over the hair. And just being vigorously, or generous, I should say, with the product. Now I'm taking the sponge, the twist sponge, and I'm taking it on the very shortest part of the hair, not on the top at all, just all the way around. You want to make sure to go in the same direction or you will have a disaster. So keep it going all the way around. And literally, I had somewhere to go. I'm telling you guys, this took me probably 5 minutes to do. Super quick, but I just want to show you how easy it is to do a quick wash and go. Now, this is the gel. You all know it's the yellow one. I can't remember what it's called, but it's the Gorilla Snot gel. And then, as you can see, a nice vigorous amount, or generous amount. And I'm just putting this on the sides, just making sure that the sides of my hair is nice and, yeah, flat. And I just kind of put this on the brush, and then I'm kind of picking the hair out with my hands at the top, just making sure everything is where it needs to be. And I always take this old scarf. I promise this scarf has to be 20 years old. Those are the best. And then just tying this, and here we go. Hey, I'm back. Okay, so this is just quickly, I'm about to leave. I have to go to an appointment to go get actually my car. But I just want to show what I do. As you saw what I did with my hair, and then right as I'm leaving, or when I get to my appointment, I take my scarf off, and yes, this is my wash and go. This is my actual go-to hairstyle. In a crunch. I don't want to do too much. I'm trying to get my baby hair right. But this is the style. And then for the back, so there are no gaping holes or anything, I kind of do like this with a Y2 comb, or a very, you know, like a pick will work too. And just pick it out. It is such easy, and here's it up close. Now, a lot of times what I do, I will take a strand too. This is not for this type of style, but on some days, and I just twist it around. Doing it a little thicker kind of works a little bit better, and then you just pick it apart as it dries. But yeah, this is it. So many different styles you can do with a short cut. And then as it dries, hopefully I'll be back in time where after it kind of dries, you can kind of see, because it is pretty wet, a lot of product. But yeah, I kind of try to pick it up after a while, so we'll let you see that later, hopefully. Take care.